Bullish stepn. GMT cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $1.37 and $2.58 by 2030. Market investigators accept GMT could reach $1.06 by 2025. Bearish stepn market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.242897. stepn. GMT presentation. As we probably are aware, this video is about stepn cost forecast. On the whole, we should examine the essential presentation of this cash on the off chance that you need a decent profit from your beneficial speculation from it. stepn. The principal NFT drive in light of the transition to procure idea is a solid way of life application with social money, social and play to procure games viewpoints. Jerry Huang and Yan Rong, two Australian programming engineers, helped to establish stepn in August 2021. stepn won the 2021 Solana Start Hacking Contest prior to getting a $5 million financing round from private value behemoth Sequoia Capital. The Green Metaverse Token, GMT, the stepn's administration token, was made accessible on Solana in WAC 2022. Holders of GMT can recommend and settle on project headways and depository circulation. Prior to making it stepn cost, we inspect what is GMT, stepn. What's more, GMT, stepn specialized in central examination. We should check it out. What is stepn, GMT? stepn is a WEB3 move to procure versatile application with parts for social and gaming finance, Gamefi and Socialfi. Find Satoshi Lab, an Australian fintech studio, is the gathering behind stepn. The undertaking chips away at the Solana blockchain, and its center thought relies upon moving around, which is a great many people's regular movement. At the 2021 Solana Start Hackathon, stepn wrapped the third next in line and was the main task to coordinate the move to procure idea practically. The objective of the game part of stepn is to urge a great many clients to embrace a better way of life, battle environmental change, and abstain from driving high outflow cars. Then again, the social money part of stepn expects to foster a stage that advances client-produced WEB3 content. stepn utilizes a two-layered symbolic framework. GMT and GST are the two sorts of tokens accessible in the biological system, and each can be gained in an unexpected way. stepn's application incorporates the accompanying Gamefi highlights. Game mode. Since stepn GMT token is still in beta, the main strategy accessible to clients is singular, foundation and long-distance race modes. The other two game modes are at present creating and will be accessible soon. Sneakers. These non-fungible tokens have various characteristics, including accommodation, strength, adequacy, and favorable luck. Clients can acquire in-game tokens by wearing shoes, which can be improved and modified by consuming green Satoshi tokens. Gems attachments. stepn clients can get to certain jewels to improve the qualities of their shoes subsequent to arriving at a specific degree of shoes. Shoe printing. Clients can begin stamping shoe boxes whenever they have acquired 2 NFT shoes. The cost of printing will shift contingent upon the kind of shoes you obtained at first and those you get a while later. Badge. By finishing explicit in-game undertakings, players can secure various identifications. The benefits these identifications can offer can be taken advantage of to change how the game is played. Clients who have identifications, for example, may profit from lower stamping costs, extra focuses, administration advantages, or additional energy. The production of this component is by progressing. The stepn token's value forecast is certainly founded on an itemized assessment of its value graph and specialized examination, taking into account both the ongoing cost and verifiable patterns of the digital currency. While looking at the pattern lines, the costs have transcended the 200 MAMA moving normal line. stepn GMT current cost. stepn is presently worth $0.303621 United States dollars. GMT has moved 0.68% as of now, with an exchanging volume of $44,203,849. stepn is as of now position 154 among all digital currencies, with a market capitalization of $182,172,548 United States dollars. Using the overall strength list, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal union uniqueness, MACD, from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for stepn GMT. To conclude, whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize constant STEPN, GMT, market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market movement. STEPN, GMT, Value Forecast 2023. STEPN, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. GMT. The GMT cost gauge for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to $0.455431. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be steady. However, no extensive drops are normal, averaging $0.425069, and cost is very aggressive, yet it is doable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and headways. GMT is supposed to have a base worth of $0.364345. STEPN, GMT, Value Expectation 2024 of every 2024. STEPN GMT cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of GMT will before long outperform $0.759052. Nonetheless, we ought to stand by to check whether the GMT's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, GMT will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.607242 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.667966. STEPN, GMT, Value Expectation 2025, assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $1.06, and GMT might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. GMT is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.971587 and a low of $0.910863 in 2025. STEPN, GMT, Value Expectation 2026. Assuming that STEPN effectively supports market feeling among digital currency aficionados, the GMT coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, GMT will be green in 2026. The GMT is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $1.37 with a base cost of $1.21 and a typical cost of $1.28. STEPN, GMT, Value Expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the GMT cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $1.58 by 2027, with a